This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Lesa Miller. 3-bed, 2-bath ranch home in desirable Fieldstone/Stonecrest. Open, split floor plan. Separate laundry and mechanical room. Close to Cook Medical and Ivy Tech. Original windows were replaced with more energy-efficient windows. Beautiful entry door. Solid surface planking in kitchen and great room. Stainless steel dishwasher and refrigerator. Gas range. Cul-de-sac location cuts down on traffic. Large deck off back. Enjoy Smithville Fiber. Can close quickly. For more information, review the details below.